Who be running up the streets like me? Like Chief O'Keefe, no beef, more streets. Who be running up the streets like me? Like Chief O'Keefe, like can I roll a leaf? I just need another roll in my teeth. Got the bag, now they all want a piece, And if they can't inhale, then release. And they call the police, cause they talk so cheap, Fuck you mean, I'm the hottest in the scene. Tell me how you feel, if you don't, then you weak. Real bitches only, you just know to own me. I am now the grown me, you are not a homie, yeah. Got a lot of females mad, so I turned to the pen and the pad. When I spoke what I wrote, it made them gag. You do you, boo-boo, and just relax. Shout out Aries, shout out Leo, shout out Sag.
Perfect.
Who be running up the streets like me? Like Chief O'Keefe, no beef, more streets. Who be running up the streets like me? Like Chief O'Keefe, like get out of my seat, I got a million places that I gotta be. I'm a boss, Rick Ross and Khalees, yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm a freak. You're a Jeep, you're a sheep, I'm asleep when you speak, yeah. All this chitter chatter, it don't really matter. I'ma swing, better swing, then smoke it back after. I'm all that and some, pretty and I'm handsome. Took your bitch for a frisk, now this song our anthem. Pretty thick and she bitchy.